right, I popped a couple rows over and I think I spotted it, but I think someone's been here and picked it pretty clean already. So, all right, I got an alert that this yard has a Volvo 850R. So we're gonna go in here and see if we can find it and see if there's any parts left. So drove about an hour out of town to get to this particular lot. So hopefully we get lucky. Whew, it's crowded today, man. It took me about 20 minutes just to check in, walking through the door. So let's get going. It's getting a little warm out. Try to get here early in the morning so that I could get in and out before the heat picks up, because it's gonna be a warm day today. But it is it's a holiday weekend, and so I think everybody's here for the 50% off day. So I think I'm down here. This is a big yard. So I'm trying to find row 178. And it's down here somewhere. I'm at 124 now. So I'll pick this back up when I find the row. Check this out. Neat little smart car. Neat little smart car. This thing's been ripped into. Is that the engine? I don't know where the engines are in these things. It's not an electric one. Is there an engine in the back? Oh, yep, engine's in the back. And somebody pulled it, dropped the subframe. Hey, it's another smart car. I think I've only seen like one of these in a lot before, and today I see two. This one's got paddle shifters and stuff together. So let's see if we get a better look at the engine underneath. So these are actually rear-wheel drive cars. I wonder if you could drift one. Probably not enough power, but it's a rear-wheel drive. Real neat. Okay, let me go search for that R. Well, looks like today might be one of those days. It's showing in their system that there's a Volvo 850 out here, but it's not showing up right now. So I'm not quite sure what to do. I drove about an hour out of the way to come look at this thing. There's another Volvo here, but it's not showing. It's not the right one. It's not the one I'm looking for. There's another Volvo here, but dang it. Came pretty far to look for this thing. And this is row 178, row 179, can't tell. So let me look this way, see if it's here. All right, I popped a couple rows over and I think I spotted it, but I think someone's been here and picked it pretty clean already. So pulled the front bumper. Let's see, got the ECU. What else was worth picking on the R's? Pulled the seat skins, got the door cards, got the sill plate. Yeah, there's not much left in this R that they didn't pull, so I think we're done here. It's weird that they pulled the seat skins, but you didn't get all of it. So you can see it's still got that Alcantara on there. Left the carpets. What else did they take off of here? Oh, took the rear bumper, or spoiler, sorry. They took the rear spoiler off. So yeah, whoever got to this R picked it pretty clean. I'll grab that because that's an R exhaust tip. But otherwise, someone came and cleaned this one out pretty good. So good job to whoever came out here. Glad they got it clean. got all the R bits off except for the dash. So the dash and the steering wheel's kind of beat up, but that dash is a R specific dash. Nobody wanted it, I guess, because that birch wood or birch type wood is specific to the R's. Didn't grab this and didn't grab that. I don't know that it's worth it for me to grab it. But if anybody wants it, pick and pull out in Stockton. Get a couple of R bits off of this. Let's see. It's got the bigger sway bar in here. So if anybody wants that, it's got the regular regular brackets. Let's see. Did I pull anything else? Let's see. Did they leave the turbo in? Nope. Somebody pulled the turbo. Usually the R's, the turbo's not that much bigger, but somebody may want it. So, well, somebody got everything. Oh, except they left this. Oh, and this one's in really good condition. Guess they didn't want that, so I'll pull that. I think that's the tabs here are clean. Some people like these. These are harder to find. You can get the some of these parts new, but that air dam is usually harder to find, or it's really expensive. So let me grab that. Man, check it out. It is an hour, almost an hour and a half after opening, and the line is still out the door. But pretty nice yard. It's got a lot of cars at this place. So Stockton Pick and Pull. If you need that R, it's still got some stuff here.